again, let us give a big round of applause to the Batangas South Central Elementary School teachers.
Rita. Ah, tingin-tingin.
Tingin-tingin na, tingin-tingin.
Tingin-tingin. Ha? Vlog lang, vlog. Vlog ta. Gusto mo ito iba kaon? Ma'am. Kita ka punta.
Okay, panoorin natin ang video ha, kasi mamaya dyan tayo kuha ng pang-trivia. And may prizes po yun.
Yes! Hindi basta-basta mga pa-prize ni Lucy.
House and laptop.
Refrigerator!
And
Wi-Fi!
So we are lucky enough that we have witnessed the 61st birthday of our beloved Principal Doki Rosalie Nicole of Pajarillo. So we started our friendship in the SM Quezon Central Elementary School. So we came in the same school, and I have witnessed the professionalism of Ma'am Rosalie Pajarillo in that school. Sabay kami doon, sabay din nyo doon nakikita ang kanyang paglalang doon. So when I take the exam as a principal, regional pa yun. Instead
may pa-15 ka. Saan ka 15? Sabi na, sali tayo sa top 15. Matataas daw ang kuha.
Diba? So, she was lucky that time. The first time that she applied for master teacher, but unluckily, hindi nakuha. But God is so good. God, the fact of mom, knows that He called you to become a leader of the teachers, and He was a principal that time. Nauna siya. I was already master teacher that time. So, nauna ko master teacher, pero nauna siya principal.
When we served as a principal at Apupong District, she was assigned in Sinawali and I was assigned in New Society Central School. That was 2009. No, 2009. Oo, short. Yes. Short lang yan. Diretso na tayo. We continued it when we enrolled in doctorate degree sa Cebu. So we had a great memories there. We faced all the challenges to finish our doctorate degree. So, instead of calling ate to Dr. Rose, I finally called here Princess ang tawag ko sa iya. Then yung graduate na kami, of course, to respect the doctorate degree, Doki na ang tawag ko sa iya, of course. Sister Diday, I am the sole witness na grabe din ang love niya sa iyo. And you also treasure that one. And to your nieces, mga pamangkin mo. And you have the heart to have a heart of a bonding in the family. So I'm so grateful that you have that in your heart. And of course, as a leader, if you have a heart like that to the family, of course, as well to the organization, you really deliver that one. Because as I observed with your guests tonight, this is a unified team of the school you have served. So, nandito ang taga-Kalisod lahat. I cannot mention you all, but it's a gesture of your love also to your principal. And not only limit to the, as a leader and a principal, but the friendship that you got together.
Lahat ba meron na wine? Okay, let's all rise.
Okay, it is the 61st birthday of our friend, our Kumari, Doki Rose. We call her Rose. For me, I would like to give her a wish that more blessings, more future, long journey to come, and of course, a very good health. That's all that I would like to wish for you today. Everybody, let's say